Welcome back, children, to another session of Games We Play. Children, we have learnt about the indoor and outdoor games in this chapter. So, let's continue with the chapter and see what else do we have to learn about games. So, work and play. So, we children and we all love to play games just for recreation. We just want to play games to entertain ourselves or to feel good and keep ourselves fit. But some people have made it a sport and they have made it a career in their life. So, sports and games are not only meant for entertainment. Some people make career in sports and they are called professional players. Now, you have heard about Sania Nehwal, MS Dhoni, Mary Kom. These people have made sports as their careers. So they have developed their skills in their specialized field and made their sport activities as their profession. There are many sports persons who have excelled in their respective sports and brought laurels to the country. So there are many of these players, as you can see in the pictures below. We have many of those great players who have made these kind of sports as their profession, and they have brought a lot of fame to our country, like Saina Nehwal. She is a professional badminton player. MS Dhoni as the captain of the Indian cricket team, and Mary Kom as the Olympic level Indian boxer. So they have named themselves and brought fame to the country also. Now let's see what is in the exercises. Let's do the exercises. Now put a tick on the correct option. This is an outdoor game. Now let's see which is an outdoor game. Chess, Ludo or cricket. Yes, obviously that is cricket is an outdoor game. So we will mark a tick on the word cricket. This is an indoor game. So indoor games are those games which we play inside a house. So what are the name of the games that are given? Carom, football, badminton. Obviously football and badminton are played outside your house and they cannot be played inside your house. So which is the game that is played indoor? That is carom. This player is a boxing champion. Now we have learnt about some of the players who have made some of the sports, some of the games as their profession or their career. So, who is the boxing champion? Saina Nehwal, MS Dhoni or Mary Kom? Obviously, it is Mary Kom. Girls in the past enjoyed playing what? So, in previous years, what did the girls love to play? So, the girls love to play hopscotch. In the past, girls love to play hopscotch. Now, fill in the blanks. Outdoor games are played in a where? In a playground or stadium. So, let's see what is in the chapter. So, here we have in the chapter about outdoor games. So, outdoor games are played in a field or ground. So, what are we going to write? We are going to write field or a ground. Then dash and dash are games which have been played for years. So which were the games? It was Kabaddi and Kho-Kho. These were the games that were played for years. The Maiker sisters founded a club in Mumbai. Then dash and dash are two outdoor games. So you can mention any of the two games that are played outdoor. You can write cricket or football or tennis or badminton, volleyball, any of the games, any of two outdoor games can be written over here. Now let's see what is about match the following. Now this can be done very easily. MS Dhoni is a cricketer, Saina Nehwal, badminton player, Vishwashanti Krida Mandal for kabaddi, and Mary Kom as a boxer. So we will mark it now. Now this is the right match that is done. We will move forward with something that we can do. Now put a tick on the activities that keep you fit. So this is your work to be done, and what kind of games keep you fit. So you have to mark those games that keep you fit. You can write playing hockey, jogging, cycling. These are some games that keep you fit. Even skipping also keeps you fit. But other two games, they generally tend to demoralize you or generally tend to put your health down. Now this is all for now. So it was really a fun to learn all these games, and we have learned a lot of things about indoor and outdoor games. So children, now you must have known what is good for you and what can keep you fit and healthy and active. So in order to stay active and fit, you need to play outdoors. So from now onwards, be alert what you have to do. So till then, we meet in the next class. It's bye bye.